And these are, I'm not sure.
Because, this is something that
I'm not sure.
This is our priority mission to take care of our home. I'm from the Kona side,
It's
the west side of the island.
It's something long and it's balls, and they illuminate. Obviously, the light moves around.
My kids over there, my wife is over there.
So, you can give me a guess of what you think it is, I suppose,
It feels good to provide the support and to also think of this whole island because it's affecting this whole island. We were activated to do a state active duty as National Guardsmen, and we're here to, on a direct order of the governor, and we're here to support the citizens of Hawaii County and whatever the civil defense guys need, HPD, fire department.
Alright, let's get in there.
What we do is we drive around the community, basically supporting HPD and observing any type of unsafe acts or anything like that. We also drive around to kind of show the citizens, residents that we're here and in support of them, whatever they need. For us, it's important that they know that we're here, so that way they don't feel alone. They don't feel basically alone, lost, or if they need, they see us driving around, they see soldiers driving around, and they see, they don't really get that over here. This is a small isolated area, so when they see that, they I believe in their heads, they're not forgotten or dismissed or anything like that. Another reason we're out here is to deter acts of crime, acts of hate, looting. I'm not saying that that's what's going to happen, but we always got to take every precautionary step. And that also, too, is what I believe a lot of the residents here fear, because, a lot of them
I could get in a little bit closer, but I don't want to lose anything out of the frame. So, that's one very long something. Not quite sure what it is. That's the bottom part of it. And that's as close as I can get in. So they're separate. Invisible, this part is, because it's a lot longer. There's the rest of it. Getting in closer. Okay, that's as close as I can get. See those black things? Okay, so that is connected to the bottom one. You just can't see it. It was lit up. Obviously, you saw it in the beginning. Fascinating, isn't it?